Hi, this is a demonstration of Roger Wagner's Hyperduino board with the make-to-learn linear motor. So we'll begin by connecting the Arduino. Just select the port, and once it's connected, you'll get a feedback dialog box that says an Arduino board has been connected. Happy prototyping. At this point, we can turn on the motor, and to do that we'll want to set pin 3 to false and then pin 4 to true, and finally we want to select analog pin 5 and set that to 255. So the first two pins control the direction that the motor moves, and the last pin controls the amount of power. So let's try that, and you can see it move. Now if I duplicate this block, then I can reverse the direction and it will move back the other way. So having gotten this far, I can create two procedures, motor left, and I'll just drag this block of code up here, and then I'll create another procedure that's motor right, and drag this block of code up. So now I can take these two procedures that move the motor left and right. So if I wanted to cause this to move back and forth, I could put in a short delay. I'm going to make it about 1/10 of a second and duplicate that, drop that in, and now it'll go back and forth. But create a variable that controls the speed. So I'm going to make a variable and I'll call it speed. And I'm initially going to set the speed to 1/10 of a second. And that'll be our delay. Okay, and drop this in here. And if I change this, say, to 1/2 a second, it goes more slowly, or I can make it a second, and now it goes back and forth once a second, or I could speed it back up by making the delay 1/10 of a second. So at this point, what you do with it is limited only by your imagination.